let's look at page 53. So assume we have a triangular plate. We have a plate here. We have a plate with a triangle shape, and then we have a pin support here. It is a pin support here. So we have a pin support here, and then we have a triangular plate. And what will happen? Because this one is very heavy here, and it's very heavy here, so it will rotate and it goes down, right? It will rotate and fall in this direction. So it will go down this way. So from here, it will, because of mg, it will go to here, right? So we say we have somewhere we have a CG, and CG is center of gravity. So we have an mg here. This is the weight of the plate, right? The weight of the plate here is mg. So it is located at the center of gravity, 中心 CG. So it will go in this way. We have a moment. Because it rotates, we have a moment. We have, if this is point O, then we have MO is equal to R cross W, where R is this one. I think this is from chapter 3, right? And of course, from your high school physics, you know what I mean. So we have a moment arm and we have a force here. So we have a moment, R cross W. From here, so we have so can we write? So we have let's say we know this. So can we draw a system? Can we draw an equivalent system? Can we draw an equivalent system where the weight is here is m, and so of course we have a force mg here, and we have the same R here. We have the same m moments here. Can we draw a equivalent system like m is equal to R cross W, but the mass is a point mass m here? The answer is of course yes, but the problem now is in chapter 5, we want to determine what is R. We want to determine what is R. What is R? How do we get R? How do we determine R? So So I will talk about how to get out in the next week or the week after the next. So and from here we have I will talk about it next week. So and let me show you some example. And this is a take your time to write them down first. So we have two examples here. The one is the one on the left is a we call double decker bus. What we call here is a double decker bus. 双层公车是 double decker bus. So in UK or Hong Kong or Singapore, that there are double decker bus and many double decker buses, and we want to ensure the law says that it has to remain stable at 28 degree, and that it still remains stable. And on the right, what do we call this? What do we call this? In Chinese is 中文是什么？这个？这是什么？有没有见过 ？Have you seen this? Rocket Man. Rocket Man. In Chinese, it is 弹射椅啊。So in English, it is ejector seat. So we have, of course, we have rockets here, right? Rockets here. I'm sorry. And so the thing is, of course, the fighter pilot has a CG here, right? CG here, and the MG is goes like this. Right? If the rocket force goes in this direction, if the rocket goes in this direction, what would happen? Think about it.